Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting video in store for you. We'll be reviewing 5 incredible skincare products that have been making waves in the beauty community. Check out the Amazon links in the description below to easily find and purchase these must-have products. Let's dive into this skincare journey together. At number 5, we have the Gritajoy Advanced Dark Spot Remover. This serum is formulated with key ingredients like 4-butylresorcinol and kojic acid, known for their effectiveness in reducing the appearance of dark spots, melasma, and other skin discolorations. With a generous 1 fl Oz 30 ml size, you'll have plenty of product to target those stubborn areas. First impressions matter, and the packaging of the Gritajoy Advanced Dark Spot Remover definitely catches the eye. The sleek and compact design makes it easy to handle and travel-friendly. Plus, the pump dispenser ensures hygienic and controlled application. Now, let's talk about the results. We've been testing this serum for a few weeks, and we're impressed with the improvements we've seen. The Gritajoy Advanced Dark Spot Remover has visibly lightened dark spots and evened out our skin tone. It's important to note that individual results may vary, but we're excited to share our positive experience with you. The texture of this serum is lightweight and absorbs quickly into the skin, making it suitable for all skin types. It doesn't leave any greasy residue, which is a huge plus. We recommend applying a small amount to the affected areas twice a day, following up with your favorite moisturizer and sunscreen for optimal results. To sum it up, the Gritajoy Advanced Dark Spot Remover is a game changer when it comes to tackling hyperpigmentation and blemishes. With its potent blend of 4-butylresorcinol and kojic acid, it's a powerful treatment that can help you achieve a more even and radiant complexion. If you're struggling with dark spots or uneven skin tone, we highly recommend giving this serum a try. Next product is the JLO Beauty That Limitless Glow Face Mask. First impressions matter, and the packaging of this face mask is absolutely stunning. The sleek and elegant design reflects the high-end nature of the product. Inside, you'll find a single-use sheet mask that's saturated with the JLO Glow Serum, ready to deliver its transformative benefits to your skin. Now, let's talk about the results. We've had the pleasure of trying out the JLO Beauty That Limitless Glow Face Mask, and we're thrilled with the outcome. The mask adheres comfortably to the skin, allowing the powerful ingredients to penetrate deeply and work their magic. After just one use, we noticed an immediate improvement in the overall appearance of our skin. This mask is a true multitasker. It visibly tightens and lifts the skin, giving it a more youthful and firm appearance. The hydrating properties of the JLO Glow Serum leave the skin feeling plump and moisturized, and the brightening effect, it's like a burst of radiance that instantly revitalizes the complexion. To sum it up, the JLO Beauty That Limitless Glow Face Mask is a game changer when it comes to achieving that coveted JLO glow. With its powerful combination of tightening, lifting, hydrating, plumping, and brightening properties, this mask is a true treat for the skin. Whether you have a special event or simply want to pamper yourself, this mask is a must-try. Third product on our list is Introductory Offer Retinol Serum for Face by Gleo. This serum promises to address multiple skin concerns, including anti-aging, hydration, and achieving a radiant glow. First impressions matter, and the packaging of this serum is sleek and modern. Inside, you'll find 3 bottles of the serum, each containing 2 fl ounces, giving you a generous supply to incorporate into your skincare routine. Now, let's talk about the ingredients and their benefits. This serum combines the power of retinol, vitamin C, and hyaluronic acid. Retinol is known for its anti-aging properties, helping to reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Vitamin C brightens the complexion and helps even out skin tone, while hyaluronic acid provides deep hydration, leaving the skin plump and moisturized. We've been using the Introductory Offer Retinol Serum for face for a few weeks now, and we're impressed with the results. Our skin feels smoother, more hydrated, and has a healthy glow. The serum absorbs quickly into the skin, and we appreciate that it doesn't leave any greasy residue. It's suitable for all skin types, but as always, patch testing is recommended. To sum it up, the Introductory Offer Retinol Serum for Face by Gleo is a fantastic addition to any skincare routine. With its powerful combination of retinol, vitamin C, and hyaluronic acid, it addresses multiple skin concerns, including anti-aging, hydration, and achieving a radiant glow. The generous supply of 3 bottles ensures you'll have enough product to see long-term results. At number 2, we have Dark Spot Remover for Face and Body from Brivo. It is a powerful solution designed to address various types of hyperpigmentation, including melasma, sunspots, age spots, and more. This dark spot corrector promises to deliver visible results on areas like the face, inner thighs, hands, intimate areas, and even dark armpits. First impressions matter, and the packaging of this dark spot remover is sleek and professional. Inside, you'll find a product specifically formulated to tackle hyperpigmentation and dark spots on different areas of the body. Now, let's talk about the results. We've been using the dark spot remover for face and body for a while now, and we're impressed with the improvements we've seen. This product has visibly lightened dark spots and evened out our skin tone on various areas, including the face, inner thighs, hands, and intimate areas. It's important to note that individual results may vary, but we're excited to share our positive experience with you. The application of this dark spot remover is straightforward. We recommend applying a small amount to the affected areas twice a day, following up with your favorite moisturizer and sunscreen. It's important to be consistent and patient when dealing with hyperpigmentation, as results may take time to manifest. As always, patch testing is recommended, especially for sensitive areas. To sum it up, the dark spot remover for face and body is a promising solution for those struggling with hyperpigmentation. Whether you're dealing with melasma, sunspots, age spots, or dark armpits, this dark spot corrector aims to deliver visible results. With consistent use and proper skincare practices, you can achieve a more even and radiant complexion. At the top of our list today, and always comes first, we have Matka's Korean Niacinamide Serum for Face Antioxidant Ampule Brightening. This serum has been creating quite a buzz in the skincare community, and I couldn't wait to try it out for myself. Let's start by talking about the key ingredients in this serum. It's packed with powerful antioxidants like niacinamide, which is known for its brightening and anti-aging properties. Niacinamide helps to even out skin tone, reduce the appearance of dark spots, and improve overall skin texture. Additionally, this serum contains ceramides, vitamin E, hyaluronic acid, and beta-glucan, all of which work together to promote a more youthful and radiant complexion. The texture of this serum is lightweight and absorbs quickly into the skin, leaving behind a smooth and non-greasy finish. I love how it instantly hydrates my skin, making it feel plump and nourished. It's perfect for those with combination or oily skin, as it doesn't leave any greasy residue. After using the Matka's Niacinamide Serum consistently for a few weeks, I noticed some incredible results. My skin appeared more even-toned, and the appearance of my pores was visibly reduced. The serum also helped to control excess oil production, which is a big plus for those with oily or combination skin. I noticed that my skin looked brighter and had a healthy glow. Another thing I love about this product is that it's cruelty-free and made with clean ingredients. It's free from parabens, sulfates, and artificial fragrances, making it suitable for all skin types, including sensitive skin. I didn't experience any irritation or breakouts while using this serum, which is always a plus. In conclusion, the Matka's Korean Niacinamide Serum for Face Antioxidant Ampule Brightening has become a staple in my skincare routine. It has truly transformed my skin, giving me a brighter, more even complexion. If you're looking to achieve a youthful glow and address concerns like uneven skin tone, oiliness, and signs of aging, I highly recommend giving this serum a try. And that's it for today's video. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more reviews content. And as always, be ready for shopping.